Chittagong, the port city of Bangladesh. It is the second largest city of the country. Total area of this metropolitan city is 160 square kilometer. At present, its population is near about 5 million. From different sources like domestic, medical, commercial, industrial, etc., people generate huge amount of waste.
Do you think this huge amount of waste is a burden for us? Let's see.
Those waste are collected by municipal waste collector from dustbins located at different part of the city. Then they dump the waste at Anandabazar dumping ground, which is the largest dumping ground of Chittagong. From that waste, workers separate degradable and non-degradable waste. In non-degradable waste, they find bone, plastic, PET bottle, coconut shell, etc. There is an ecological park at Anandabazar dumping ground, which is established to process degradable waste. The degradable waste are used for making biofertilizer. At biofertilization plant, they store the waste and let them decompose naturally, which is used in agricultural field to increase fertility. From collected non-degradable waste, they get large amount of bone. Those bones are then stored, dried, and resized into bone pieces. After that, those bone pieces are separated on the basis of their size, small, medium, and large. Then, those are collected at different containers. Powder bones are used with poultry feed. Separated bones are packaged to export. A large number of PET bottles are coming to Anandabazar dumping ground. Then, those are separated by their types. PET bottles are cut into chips by a cutting machine. Then, the chips are washed, dried, packaged, and ready to export to different companies. Collected plastics are being separated by their types, such as pen, plastic box, plastic container, pipe, cosmetic products, food carrier, cable, electrical wastes, etc. Those are bought by different plastic companies to reuse them. Irregular shaped plastics are cut into pieces and packed. After taking their weight, they are sold as raw material of other products.
What we can get by proper management. Further management can afford us biogas, electricity, and others. Do you still think it's a burden for us? The answer is a big no. Let's say together, waste is wealth.